Hi everyone. I mean, they make humans comfortable. That's their job. Hi everyone, my name is OG. Welcome to our show Probotix. In this show, we're learning all about robots and also how to build them. In today's world, humans communicate with machines or computers in a variety of ways to get things done. Over the years, human-computer interactions has evolved from pressing a mechanical switch or button to the graphic user interface or GUI in software applications to voice user interface. A voice user interface makes human interaction with computers possible using speech recognition to be able to understand voice commands and answer questions using text-to-speech. Voice user interfaces have been added to your automobiles, your computer operating systems, your home automation systems, also your home appliances like your microwave oven, your refrigerator, and your washing machine. Cool, right? Voice user interfaces are actually the primary way of interacting with smartphones and smart speakers. Of course, we have very popular virtual assistants, which we all know. We have the Google Assistant, we have the Siri by Apple, we also have Cortana by Microsoft, we have Alexa by Amazon, just to mention a few. Also, speech-to-text technology is also used heavily by YouTube for live or real-time captioning. Next up, we look at speech recognition. Of course, we all know that speech allows humans to express thoughts and feelings through sounds. Speech recognition in computers involves technologies that enable the computer to be able to recognize and translate spoken language into text by the computer. When we look at automatic transcription service, the core of that service is actually speech recognition system. To convert speech to on-screen text or a computer command, there are several steps that a computer has to go through to be able to achieve this. One of the process involves two components, which is the acoustic component and the linguistic component. Next up, I'm going to be looking at the acoustic component. When you speak, you actually create vibrations in the air. The analog to digital converter in a computer converts the analog wave of those vibrations into digital data that the computer can understand. The system then filters the digitized sound to remove unwanted noises or sounds, and sometimes to separate into different bands of frequency. Afterwards, the mentioned acoustics are then matched to phonemes. Phonemes are the sounds that are used in our language to make meaningful expressions. Next up, let's look at the linguistic component. After the acoustic process, the linguistic component is responsible for converting those units into words, phrases, and paragraphs. Then, the linguistic component analyzes the preceding words and their relationship and estimates the probability of the words it should use next. The process involves using a model, and that model is called the hidden Markov model. The hidden Markov model features in most speech recognition software that is in use today. Using the hidden Markov models, that's how speech recognition softwares are able to determine the parts of speech and word endings. Of course, with varied success. Next, we have looked at speech recognition, and which involves speech-to-text engine. Next up, we're going to look at text-to-speech or TTS engine. A text-to-speech system converts your natural language text into speech. Or simply put, a text-to-speech gives a computer the ability to read text aloud. A text-to-speech engine converts written text into phonemic representations, which can then be converted into waveforms, which can be outputted as a sound. Today, there are many free text-to-speech APIs or engines which can be used in building an application. One of the very popular ones is the Google text-to-speech. As of today, Google boasts of the highest word error rate of 4.9% compared to Microsoft, Apple, and Amazon. Well, it's free so long it's not up to 60 minutes of recording or more. Any other concerns? Well, if you are not too concerned about privacy, because if you're going to be using most of Google products, you have to be using your Google account, and you can best be sure that Google is listening to your recordings. Yes. But if that's really an issue, you can actually go for offline speech recognition engines. Oh my, that was a lot of theory there, right? Without much ado, let's go on into building our own application for our robot. Now, to incorporate speech-to-text and text-to-speech ability in our robot, the first part is going to involve the design and the fabrication and the electronics that we're going to be installing on our robot. And in the second part, I'm going to expand on the application by putting more software and more functionalities, which is going to be in the following episode. So here's the previous design for our Honor robot. We have the ultrasonic sensors, the cam, the electronic box, which we did in a paper box. We have our tracks and we have our motors. So this time around, we're going to be making some modifications, and we're going to be using galvanized steel. The galvanized steel that is used is actually a heavy one. It's 16 gauge galvanized steel, and we're going to be making a hole where we're going to add our cam and electronics, and our motors will go through the galvanized steel. Also, we're going to be having an 8x8 LED matrix module, which we are going to be attaching, so we can give the robot some kind of personality of some kind. So the robot can smile, the robot can make lip movements when it's responding or making a reply. As you can see, the camera position is going to be changing. We're bringing the camera position down to the chassis, and with that, everything else remains the same. Next, I'm going to put on my safety garment and also get my safety gears and begin working on the robot. They do everything from production to cleaning to security. I mean, everything they're told, that's what they do. That's their job. But make no mistakes, one day they will take over the world. Someday in the future?
I'm about to go Goku. Leave all my haters red like old news. Yeah, tryna get the green like it's Whole Foods. Couldn't take my style and now you so blue. Yeah, now we don't even know you. Your hometown we don't even go to. Tryna get it worldwide global. Looking I can show you. Been killing this since O2. Spiller, the Hope Mandela. Life so free, can't no man kill him. Came from the bottom, was a broke man. Ghetto still move like 10 man with no found with them. Pardon me, I get hectic. I survive through the wreckage. You should go look for the exit. New sheriff in town, I get a little reckless. Miss the memo, go check the message. I hate thinking back for seconds. I hate seeing your fake little necklace. Lifestyle decrepit, I should probably expect this. Too much game for your league. I'm Hussein with speed, on Hussein on beats. Legendary, I'm everything you aim to be. I'm insane and free, you can't tame the beast.
Frenemy, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. Frenemy, enemy. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me.
Olivia.
Hi.
Back up a bit. Okay. Olivia.
Hi.
Turn left. Olivia. Olivia.
Hi.
Move forward.
Got it.
Olivia.
Hi.
Move forward.
Got it.
Olivia. Olivia.
Hi.
Back up a bit.
Got it, sir. I'm now backing up.
Olivia.
Hi.
Back up a bit.
Got it, sir. I'm now backing up.
Olivia.
Hi.
Move forward.
Got it.
Olivia.
Hi.
Back up a little bit.
Got it, sir. I'm now backing up.
Olivia.
Hi.
Turn right. Olivia.
Hi.
Turn right.
Got it. Going right.
Olivia.
Hi.
Turn left.
Got it. Going left.
Olivia. Smile.
Okay. I'm smiling.
Olivia.
Hi.
Angry face.
Okay. As requested.
Romeo.
Ready?
Who are you?
I'm a software virtual assistant and I can run and manage a house.
Romeo.
Ready?
What is your name?
Romeo is my name. I'm a software virtual assistant and I can run and manage a house.
Romeo.
Ready?
Make a note.
What would you like me to write down?
Send an email to my friend.
I made a note of that.
Thank you. Romeo.
Ready.
Search the internet.
Okay, what do you want me to search for?
Meghan Markle controversy.
Here's what I found for Meghan Markle controversy.
Romeo.
Ready.
Search the internet.
Okay, what do you want me to search for?
Probotix Hercules Technology NG.
Here's what I found for Probotix Hercules Technology NG.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our episode. That will be all for now, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.